How to set up text to register campaign. Once log into your dashboard, go to the Campaign tab. Click on the plus sign on the upper right of your dashboard to add new campaign. Now go ahead and click on Text to register. Select the sender ID and SMS account. Assign a campaign name and keyword. Input the auto responses. Register request is a message the user receives if a user texts a keyword only without registration code. Invalid registration code is a message that user receives if the code is expired, already used, or invalid. Registration confirmation is a message user receives once the code is validated and they're added to the campaign. Already registered is a message user receives if they're already registered for the campaign. Input the opt-out response and help response. After you can save the campaign. Thanks for watching.